Hello, welcome to a new video. Shropshire Hills, winter Wildcamp. The sun has already gone down, but it's a beautiful location. I'm sneaking out up the back of the Shropshire Hills tonight. I've never camped in this location before, so it might have to be slightly stealthy. Got the Poocheruno with me. Going to be trying out my Pioneer 2, and the Met Office has declared that we have 50-mile-an-hour winds tonight. Not a breath of air. So go figure that one out. Maybe when I get over the top, we'll see some more winds, but the clouds are moving fast up there. I don't know, who knows? Oh, leave them, Cherry, leave them, leave them. Oh, that was battling with that hunting instinct, that was, wasn't it? Whew, well done you. Here we go. Out into the all access area, where one feels less guilty about plonking one's arse for the evening. This part of the Shropshire Hills is really magical. It's kind of out the back of them, no one about. Come on, come on. Oh, I ought to be looking for somewhere to camp, to be honest, but I'm going to get to the top and have a look about, as I always love to do. Well, it's beautiful. Very pink over there. GoPro's not so good at picking it up, but wow. It's a wide open space. Right, I guess we better find some water and find a place to bed down for the night. I'm heading down the hill to get some water while we've got tiniest little bit of light. Okay, beggars can't be choosers here, and I'm going to go for this. Whoops, I've disturbed a load of mud that's gone into it. That is a problem. Yeah, I'm going to leave that and march on. There we go, that'll do, innit? Let's try not to disturb it too much. There we are. Right, let's get back to the tent in case it's been discovered by night hikers and ransacked. How do we get out of here? Right, let's get you sorted first, Cherry. Come here then. Good girls. Are you cold? No, you're not cold, are you? Ears are starting to get a bit cooler. She wanted me to put this on because she wanted to look nice on YouTube. she insisted that we adorn her in her pink going out clothes. Very nice. Look at that, hey? Nice reflective pad. Here we are. So if you come and stand over here, this side, this side, this side. Stay there, it's a good girl, stay there. Stay. Here it is. Right, look at that. Winter kit for pooches. And then watch this for seamless. Come here. Good girl. Oh, that's very good. Lie down. Look at that. What an amazing pooch. Here we go. Look at it. Are you warm in there? Is that nice? She can have her tea in a bit now, can't she? Right, and for my nighttime comforts, I'm going to be in the wondrous big auntie Repeat SL. James's sleeping pad of choice. We'll go for the manual approach to begin with. See how we get along. Oh, I've got a feeling we're going to be here all day. Cue time lapse. Oh, that's comfy. I've heard people say that the Pioneer 2 is a bit dinky, but I like it. I can sit right the hell up. Look at that. That's the big thing for me. And, oh, it's getting windier. Yeah, I can sit right up, and I got this nice vestibule here. The dog's got a space there. It's good. It's good. I'm happy with it. Oh my God. That's so much more comfy and warm now. I find this tent very warm as well. I'm a big fan. Let's get the rest of tonight's gear on the go, eh? Here she is. Let's blow this sucker up. It's been on with me on many adventure, this has. That's the head end tonight. Don't ask me why. Last appearance for tonight. Its gear is the wonderful winter bag Rab 900 Ascent. Look at that. It's quite a nice sound, that is. A windy tent. Chicken tikka with rice, something to eat. You've seen these before. Dehydrated meal. Not the greatest, are they? Always crunchy. Good thing about them is they're spicy. Oh my God. That's so crunchy. I might have to let that sit for a bit longer. I'm going to jump outside and see how fast this wind is, but it's nothing to write home about really. The Met Office got it wrong, as I said. What are your New Year's resolutions? Have you started thinking about New Year's resolutions yet? I've got some serious New Year's resolutions happening. That's starting in January the 1st. You just have to not indulge in indulgences too much before then and have too much to do when I hit January. So, but we'll see. It's all about keeping that dopamine level, getting the dopamine baseline up and not going for the dopamine spikes. Anyway, I feel like I'm in an alien egg right now. I am a face hugger in the alien egg. This is what they do. They're just basically camping, those little face huggers are. And then the top pops open and they hug a face. What do you reckon, Cherry? I don't know what I'd do without my furry friend. Not my absolute best buddy, this four-legged creature. She's a motorbike in dog form. Got any friends, have you? Stuck with me? Bad luck. Knowing you've wriggled out of your sleeping bag, that's your usual trick. Yep, that's what I thought. Right. Okay, I think I'm going to go for this crunchy bits or no. Crunchy bits still, I'll screw up. Eating it now. Lukewarm, crunchy, sloppy. It's all right. Fuel is the way to go. I'll make a video about that. It's my great success story for dehydrated meals. Much better than this stuff. Doesn't keep you awake all night, Huel, either, because it's not saturated with salt. Moan, 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 eh? That's the bin for the night now. Time for another hot chocolate, I reckon. Let's get that on the go. Filter this marsh water. It's got a leak, can you see that? It's got 2 leaks, oh God. I've heard these bags are not good. Right, let's cover them up with my hand. The unfiltered water's getting round it, isn't it, because of those leaks? Charming. 1. That filter's really coming to the end of its life, isn't it? Like it's done many hundreds of miles with me. Look at it, spraying the inside of my tent. It's bloody hell. Is there a better filter than this? Because the Katadin's great, but it at first for about 6 weeks and then it's not so good. Right, let's get that sucker on the go. There we go. Well, I'm officially horizontal. I'm going to hit the hay. This wind's going crazy now. I just got my windometer, or whatever they're called, and stepped outside and said it was about 27 miles an hour. So I guess it's getting up to 30 now sometimes. It's really bowing the tent in here. Look at that. This side. It's not quite as bad right at this moment actually now, but anyway, I'm going to hit the hay. I'm not too worried about it. I think the Pioneer is going to stand up to it, although it's hitting it at its most vulnerable point. Look at that, it's really pushing it in, so we'll see. Should be okay. Right, so unless anything crazy happens, good night, and let's hope I sleep tight. See you in the morning. Well, good morning, campers. It's 6:30. The tent survived, I survived. Pooch survived, and it's coffee time. It was really windy last night. I got up about 3 in the morning to test the wind speed because the tent was doing crazy stuff, and it was 35 miles an hour, so the tent withstood it, and it seems to have died down a bit now. And I'm just going to get myself coffee, no breakfast, and get out of here, because this is a place that we might have fell runners or people coming up, and I don't really want to get caught, so I'm going to try and get out of here before it gets light. Right, kettle's boiled. So let's get a coffee on the go and get moving. I have emerged. It's a glorious morning. Wow. Morning, Shropshire. Airbnb Shropshire. Free of charge as long as you take your crap with you. Just got my windometer out and it said about 30 something miles an hour, so I reckon we were getting 40 mile an hour gusts, and the Pioneer 2 handled it no problem, so an all-night battering, so pretty tough tent. Pleased with that. Sherry, come here. Come here, come on. Come here. Good girl. You strangle yourself with that. Stay there. There we go, go on then. The joys of life expressed by a pooch in a pink dress. Well, there we go. Look at that. Clee Hills over there. Wrekin over there. That's Caradoc and Lawley, and that's the Shropshire Hills that way. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Wow, it's lovely and quiet here, no wind, so that little dip there is windless, so you can always find a spot to shelter in my experience. So I could have managed it in my Lanshan tent, more flimsy tent down here, I would have been fine. I've never been on a camp where I think I couldn't find shelter, so it's very rare that you need something that's bomb-proof. Always good to have though. It's like, why do we have watches that go down to 100 meters underwater or something? It's not like you're ever going to go down 100 meters underwater and then need to tell the time, is it? But it's just good to know they've got that capability, isn't it? Magical place, Shropshire. It's got very much a ghostly vibe to it. There's a sort of sinister, almost historical essence that sort of reverberates out of the ground. The land that time forgot. Wow, what a wild spot. It's gorgeous. I've got the feeling again. Stripped away the layers, back down to basic, silly, stupid me. But I find basic, silly, stupid me isn't the worst company in the world, actually, so I don't mind being back down to him again. Wow. Yeah, sometimes I don't even get the feeling, as I call it, until after the morning, when I've been packing down the tent in the blasting wind. Whoa. It's really nice. So, if you feel like coming on these type of crazy adventures yourself, I actually run a Great Outsiders company that does outdoorsy stuff. Dartmoor, Cairngorms, Scotland, Shropshire. So come along for a Wildcamp and bring your friends. Come and join the cool gang. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Oh, have a good one. Come on, Jerry. Come on then. That serves you right for eating sheep shit. It does.